So many learned judges here. When I was asked A, B and C parties thing, I think Mr. Justice Aminuddin said, वो process खत्म होगा तो party, there may be 15 candidates for a party ticket.
मेरा question नहीं है.
But I have
question है कि आपका order.
It was not because of my order. It is not done under the law. It is not the practice, and it is not filed at that time. So
your order
based
is
on that,
no consequence. 22-12 का.
22. देखेंगे अभी. This is a separate question altogether, leadership.
That's my question. I am asking you. You are saying on a factual plane.
I will answer.
That they did not file anything. So I am just writing the facts down, and I'm trying to see that is it because of the order.
Then I'll take a position. No, it wasn't.
How would they file it in view of your order?
My leadership, I'm being taken again to the same. I mean, if the bench wants me to say something, why doesn't the judge concerned, just honorable judge, just ask me to just say it through my mouth? But I will not.
I think that's a very unfair statement.
And it's a very inappropriate way of responding.
Leadership, I am
sorry, but that's not.
Leadership, I'm being like. Formulation 4. Then. There is no